Okay, you guys, I'm so excited. I have been on this journey of buying every single thing that I see about manifestation. And look at this. I got this from LOVET Planners. Just gorgeous. Okay, so these are the stickers that I can cut out and put into a vision board. Ooh, you are the creator of your reality. Preach, sis. Yes, claim it. My wealth and prosperity increase daily like magic. And that's on period. Oh my gosh, and look at this. They even give you birth certificates. Okay, I'm gonna put my baby on there. Okay, oh, ownership. Okay, let's get that Porsche. Bank statement. Okay, this is what we gonna be fucking with. So this is the vision book that goes with the stickers, or the stickers go with it, actually. And I really love this because it's categorized. I also love that it's a book because I love to make several vision boards and then just keep adding to it. And that way I can preserve my other vision boards and see what comes true. So I'm really glad that I get to do this book and then use the stickers. So excited for this because we out here just manifesting, girl. Yes, I am worthy.